sangat. Mga message. Sige, kamuda ka rin. Okay na niyo ah.
Alright, one of our sponsors is Gaston Tattoo, and we will be going to do a raffle for a lucky winner of worth 1,500 na tattoo from Gaston Tattoo. Okay, so worth 1,500 na tattoo. Kung gusto nyo magpatato, na. So one from the participants and one from the audience.
Kita ka mo da. Kita mo. Nagagabala no? Wala no, hindi akon mo.
Alright, for the participants, the winner for worth 1,500 tattoo is...
Dali lang.
Entry number 11. Entry number 11. Arada, entry number 11. Sir, you want a tattoo? And of course, one from the audience. From the audience, number 116. Number 116, are you there? Audience number 116. Number 116 is Vincito Monselio. Vincito Monselio. Ara, si Vincito. You want a worth 1,500 of tattoo from Gaston Tattoo. Ara, that's si Vincito Monselio. One, 116. Wala. So. Alright. Next. Number 88. Number 88. Audience number 88. Janelle De Eret. Janelle De Eret. Ara si Janelle De Eret. You want a tattoo worth 1,500. Ito lang ay ito chance kita naman sa instructions. Alright, we're getting ready for the awarding ceremony. So just sit back and relax. Just be there in your spot. And we'll be providing later on the list of winners.
Dapat ano, tama-word. Ito dugay-dugay.
So again, to all the owners and the participants in the first ever Silay City Tambay Show, thank you very much for joining, and hoping that there will be a more bigger in the future. So we'll be having our awards ready, and just get ready on the awarding tab. So just be here in the event area, so that if you will be chosen as one of the best in our event, ano yung mag-claim sa mga trophy. So again, just stand by to all the owners and participants, and get ready, because we will be starting the award ceremony in a while. Alright, again, our media partners for this event are, of course, members of Team Tulay Piliqueros and Team 6100. We have here Tito James, Pitikachu, Kiat Nation, 6116 Negros Pate, Kapitan G, Kakats TV, 4J Squad, Titos of Silay, Snapshots, The Coffee Toy, Click College Shots, Focus 6100, Pitik Classico, Pitik Nianhead, Guapi Toy, Localize, and of course 23 Media. So just follow their Facebook pages so that you can check your photos that they have captured in this memorable event. Of course, now we have Israq or Celaya Responsive Action of Concerned Citizens. It's our security for this event. And again, thank you to all the participants and the audience who joined and support our first Celaya City Tambay show. Of course, again, tomorrow will be the start, the day one of the 67th Charter Day anniversary celebration of the city of Celaya, and the highlights will be on June 12th. Also, we will be celebrating the Independence Day on June 12th, so Cat Celaya Festival will be celebrated also together with the city's Charter Day. So there will be a lot of other events alike. So this is just a pre-event for our Charter Day anniversary. Alright, again, stand by because we will be doing our awarding ceremonies. So to all the owners and participants, just stay where you are. We will be doing our raffle, or yes, our awarding. Team Select Nicaros to join us here so that you get the best shot of our winners. Alright, first award. Best Drummer. Best Drummer. So yeah, you will be joined by our car babes. Drummer. Best Drummer. It's number. Best Drummer, number 43. Number 43. Congratulations. So join the Paano po yung award? Alright, here's for our best tracker participant number 43. Number 43. Next is best Cafe Racer. Best Cafe Racer.
Best tracker is number 43 from Neckbreaker. So
Entry number 28. Entry number 28. Best
shout out
Cafe
sa
Racer.
Toyota Corolla na puti plate 9782. Pasunaid.
Number 28.
po sa nag-kios po. Ang salakyan mo dito. Park Mantani, Santa Dlong.
Para sa sir.
Corolla nga puti plate NDE 9782.
Alright, the winner is entry number 28, Best Cafe Racer.
Kasi pwede nyo da mapa. Page yung salakyan. Toyota Corolla na puti.
Next award is Best Scooter. Best Scooter is entry number 12. Entry number 12, 1, 2. Ako yung Yamaha Iyo. Alright. Entry number 12. Next award is Best Bobber. Best Bobber. Best Bobber is entry number 30. 30. Number 30. 30. Congratulations to the winners. Next award is
Okay lang, sorry. Kaya pag wala ko di ko
Modified Ride.
Nagano ko
Best
kami
Modified Ride is entry number 23. Number 23. 23 are in there. Of course, we go to that. Pop Brad Works.
Idol!
Scratch
Idol!
to bike for sale. Honda Plate 150. Oversized rims.
Yes.
Alright, congratulations to the best modified ride. Next is best in stance. May makontrata. Best in stance. Best in stance is entry number 12. Entry number 12. Best in stance. Congratulations. Next is best in muffler. Best in muffler. Best in muffler is entry number 16. Number 16. 1-6. Alright, next Best in rims is entry number 32. Number 32. Congratulations, entry number 32. Alright, next winner is Best in Engine Setup. Best in Engine Setup is still the same, number 32. Entry number 32. Congratulations again, entry number 32. Alright, Best in Mio Setup. Best in Mio Setup is number 24. Entry number 24. Number 24. May Mio, okay ba? Next is Best in Paint. Best in Paint is entry number 25. Entry number 25.
Best in Paint, the number 25.
Ano ba turn mo, sir?
Raider na pula.
Raider. Ang red. Best in Paint. Entry number 25. Next is Best in Daily Free Band. Best in Daily Free Band. Nariyan na ito at now niya tanda. Hi, Banya, syempre, of course, we understand it's just for shows, but we have here some that is daily event. Entry number 37, number 37.
Congratulations, SC Rider!
Pinadalanan naman.
SC Rider, eh? Congrats!
Easy Rider, easy delivery magaling. Congratulations again. Alright, congratulations for the winners of those awards. Next is Best Sports Bike. Best Sports Bike 400cc and up. Second place goes to entry number 8.
Tito James.
Entry number 8 earns him
Tito James Ninja.
Best Sports Bike 400cc and up.
Congratulations, Tito
That's
James.
for the second runner-up. Of course, we also have the first runner-up. Congratulations, you have the second runner-up for the best sports bike 400cc and up. First runner-up for the best sports bike 400cc and up. That's entry number 39. Number 39.
First runner-up. Entry number 39.
Congratulations.
Sir, congrats.
First runner-up. Entry number 39.
First runner-up. Ours on a big bike.
James Taylor. Best sports bike 400cc and up. First runner-up. And of course, for our champion, for the best sports bike 400cc and up is entry number 7. Entry
Tito
number 7.
James! Tito James, congratulations! Yay!
Entry number 7. Tito James. Next award is for the best sports bike 400 and below.
Nice one.
Second runner-up is number 38. Entry number 38.
Yan ang 38. Parang podya ko, no? Iya kami, gaya.
Best sports bike. Second runner-up.
Best sports bike. Second runner-up, number 38. Ay, ito na.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
For the first runner-up, best sports bike 400 and below is entry number 5. Entry number 5.
Congratulations, Naldo. 400 below.
KTM RC200. Best sports bike first runner-up for 400cc and below. And the champion for our best sports bike 400cc and below is entry number 6.
Below is best sports bike 400cc below for Loy Loy.
Congratulations, Angelo. Next is
Same.
Best
Norman.
in
Shout out,
Panta.
Gaston Tato. Shout out. Best in ano? Loy! Ano, Loy? Yun. Dapat eh.
Alright, next is Best Pantra. Best Pantra.
Anong pantra? Anong pantra?
First runner-up.
Anong pantra?
We have 2 winners for this category. First runner-up is entry number 45. Number 45. Entry number 45. Alright, for the best Pantra champion, entry number 21. Malaysian setup. Second place goes to, or second runner-up goes to entry number 3. Entry number 3, are you there? Look at that older, entry number 3.
Din ang number 3, oh. Number 3 din. Why?
Best in Malaysian, set up, second runner up, entry number 3.
Why man ang 3? Din ang 3.
Sino na yung nakakilala? Di na yung ano mo? Number 3. Okay, let's go to the first runner-up. First runner-up for the best in Malaysian setup. First runner-up goes to entry number 2. Entry number 2. Congratulations. Like that. Congratulations again. Entry number 2. Okay, second place, or second runner-up for best in Malaysia. Actually, it's number 13.
13?
Number 13. Sorry, natula one sa lista. But it's number 13.
John Bay, number 1.
Number 3 is like yan. Alright. And the champion for our best in Malaysian setup is entry number 18. What is? Entry number 18.
Kaya pa.
Next is Best Scrambler.
Ano to?
Tapos
Best Scrambler. Ito yung Scrambler.
Best Scrambler. First runner-up is entry number 44. Entry number 44. Congratulations for winning the first runner-up. Alright, best scrambler, first runner-up. And more the champion for best scrambler is entry number 27. Entry number 27.
27.
Congratulations.
Orderin ako din na.
Congratulations, best scrambler, the champion. Next is best naked bike. Best naked bike, 400 and up. First runner-up is entry number 29. Number 29.
Number 29.
Naked bike.
Congratulations, CJ!
Best naked bike is a Honda CB650. A St. Francis Nature Park Village.
Congrats, CJ! Our youngest. Our youngest. Our youngest.
Congratulations. First runner-up. And of course, our champion for the best naked bike is entry number 40.
Congratulations! Graduate ka na!
Mazda CB650. Congratulations for winning the best naked bike 400 cc.
Congrats, sir. Congrats.
And our next is
Wala ka pa yun, no? Maluwang galay po.
Oh, yeah. Okay pa mo da? Lord,
Bye.
musta na ang Lakers? Na nakakuha man. Why pa, sir, ang sa salakyan? Wala pa.
for our second runner-up for the best line setup. Kaya naman isang yan. May tayo. Entry number 16.
Di na 16.
Number 16, 1-6. Congratulations, you won the second runner-up for the best inside setup. Next is first runner-up for the best inside setup.
Ito siya, ito siya.
Congratulations, entry number 19, 1-9. Entry number 19 for the best inside setup.
Shout out, Manta! Shout out, Manta!
And of course, our champion for the best inside setup is entry
Ano na,
number
magulang ang sniper nga blue.
32. Entry number 32
Papapdol,
for
papap.
the best inside setup.
Congratulations again!
Natawa ba ng turing? Pila na yan ang ingas to, no? Okay. Next is Best Moto Shop or Best Moto Club. Congratulations! The best in Moto Shop or Moto Club is DNA Silay Chapter. Kumpuli na kataramo na tayo. Kumpuli na kataramo. Congratulations, DNA July Chapter for the best moto shop or the best moto club.
Yay! Sir, nasa tunga, sir, nasa tunga. Ay, sandal, sandal sa piya ko.
Sandal ko nga.
Ang matay, sa tunga. Aba, sandal, diri ka sa tunga. Oh.
Dali ka ako, doon.
Dalian na!
Dalian na!
Up. Ako, ibabang sa lugar. And for the motorcycle category, our best bike of the show. Best bike of the show. Best of the best.
Abawa, abawa. No, no.
Wow!
Oh!
Best bike of the show. Ready? Alright, for our best bike of the show. Di ko makita ang number. Di naman, huwag na pulit lang. Alright, entry number 12. Entry number 12 for the best in bike.
Sino
Best bike of the show.
Ang NMAX.
Ay! Ang Xbox ulit. Hindi ko makita. Congratulations! Best bike of the show. Grabe, no? Best in scooter, best in stats, and best bike of the show. Again, that's for our motorcycle categories. But yeah, later on.
wala pa.
Stand by all car owners because we will
Ari pa tayo
be
kay mama ko nang ako nung kumpanya ko.
giving the awards
Ari pa mga kami rin.
in a while. So again, for the motorcycle categories, congratulations. Again, the first Salai City Tambay Show is brought to you by Geometria and Team Customs.
Fans na iya ka ganoya.
This is our actually second day, so we started yesterday and we have a plenty of raffle prizes. Nagabi naman namin raffle for our audience and our participants and also our car babe showdown. Tapos kung nag-enjoy sa lagitan. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Okay, ganon. Liwat na tama liwat. Wala lang. May babe pa na ni Tito James. Ito pang isa, babe, may car babe.
Gaambay ko rasin mo ga. Gaambay ko rasin mo. Ilang big mo isa lang. Ay, good. Robot.
Alright, for the best engine display for the cars. This is for the car category. Best engine display is entry number 10. Entry number 10. Where are you? Entry number 10. Best in engine display. Grabe na ito sa
Ari na.
What?
Congratulations ka, Duet ka na. Congrats! Hey!
Congratulations for the best engine display for our car category.
Yes!
Best in car entertainment. Best in car entertainment goes to entry number 33. Number 33. 33. Best in car entertainment.
Ano?
Congratulations.
Ako na gani yung salakyan, bala yun. Ano?
Oh, that's the Fortuner. Wow. All right, this is for the best audio setup. Best audio setup. Second runner-up goes to entry number 35. Entry number 35.
Best audio setup, number 35.
Second runner-up for best audio setup.
Second runner-up.
Congratulations. Next is, of course, our first runner-up for the best audio setup goes to entry number 4. Entry number 4.
Ano yung ano ni? Amblo? Amblo. Blue Adventure.
Alright, congratulations. Entry number 4 for our best in audio setup. First runner-up. And for our best audio setup champion. Best audio setup. This is for the champion. Goes to number 34. Alright. Congratulations.
Ang target ko, ang pula.
Best in audio setup. Congratulations again. Next is for the best four-door sedan. Best four-door sedan. Second runner-up. Second runner-up goes to Entry number 15. Number 15.
Hindi ko makita. Hindi ko makita mga number. Best Audio Sedan, number 15. Ang blue. Go, go, Lakers.
Next is first runner-up. Best 4-door sedan is entry number 34.
Number 34, best 4-door sedan, first runner-up. Number 34. Number 34.
Congratulations, sir. And our champion for the best 4-door sedan is entry number 22.
Number 22, our champion 4-door setup.
Number 22, that's the
Ang blue Honda.
Honda Civic. Color blue.
Alright.
Alright, congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Next awards.
Congrats, sir.
Best Classic 4-door. Second runner-up goes to entry number 3. Number 3. That's the Toyota Corolla.
Tugal sa piyak. Classic 4-door. Second runner-up is number 3. Shout out kay Warren.
Best Classic 4-door.
Shout out. Shout out kay Sir Pogs Andres Show. Shout out. Go, go, Lakers.
Toyota Corolla 1997. Next is Best Classic 4-door first runner-up.
Best classic 4-door, first runner-up.
Congratulations, entry number 35. Entry number 35.
Yun din 35 man.
Best classic 4-doors.
Hindi mo classic. Congratulations!
And the champion for the best classic 4-doors is number 49. Number 49.
Ang puti.
Entry number 49. Best
49.
classic.
Best classic
4-door.
4-door. Ayaw.
Entry number 49. Owner si Jerry Monfort. Jerry Monfort. Wala.
Dito Chad McLean.
Alright.
Dito Chad McLean.
Dito siya mag-play. Pergi na kayo. Para na sa mga kataw. Next is alright, again, this first Silay Tatbay show is brought to you by Geometria and Team Customs. This is a 2-day event, and it is our last day. And we're hoping in the next year or the next event will be more participants and more sponsors. Syempre na bigger event. Alright. Best custom car. Best custom cars, of course. Entry number 1. Entry number 1 for the best custom car.
Lakers na LA na LA.
All the way from Los Angeles, Lakers.
Best custom car.
LeBron.
Go Lakers!
Go Lakers.
Congratulations! Entry number 1, best custom car.
Next is Best Rig. Best Rig is
Best rig.
entry number 4. Congratulations, entry number 4. Best Rig.
Our blue adventure atong blue.
Congratulations. Next is Best 4x2 SUV. For the best 4x2 SUV is entry number 10.
Lakers lang sa Kalawang.
Entry number 10. 1-0. Number 10.
Hey!
Best Sports Utility Vehicle. Hindi ka mawag.
Congratulations,
Next
Fran!
is Best 4x4. Ay, not 4x4, meron ng 4x4 SUV. Entry number 33. Of course, you see that? Entry number 33. Best 4x4 SUV. Sino nag-iyak ang fortuner?
Arino! Arino!
Kenapa nila entry? Sa dia. Next is Best Compact SUV. Best Compact SUV is entry number 36. Entry number 36.
Ang pula, ang pula, ang pula.
Entry number 36. For the Best Compact
Ayan, sir.
SUV. Congratulations.
Combat SUV, congratulations!
And of course, we're live at the page of Pikachu. Shout out to the mga viewers. Next is
Mano ka ka? Mano ka ka?
Best Sports Car Compact.
Mano ka ka?
Best Sports Car Compact goes to entry number 50, number 50. Best Sports Car Compact. 50. Where's the owner of 50? Representative?
Ang mini Cooper? Ang mini Cooper? Ang mini Cooper?
Lachi, paya.
Smile dito dyan!
Congratulations. Of course, we're live.
Why na kayo nag-ano?
Live today kay Pikachu, no? Next is Best Rig Setup for 4x4. Best Rig Setup 4x4 goes to entry number 42. 42. Number 42.
Good boy!
Victoria.
Good boy gaming! Good boys ni good boys!
May OD at part of bacon may lightings. The may Pepsi na ginawa na o. May Pepsi ba na?
No, ubos ng Pepsi mo.
Next is Best Daily Prevent Sedan. Entry number 35. Best Daily Prevent Sedan.
Pati ang pulo.
35, number 35. Congratulations, Best Daily Driven Sedan. Next is Best Daily Driven 4x Pickup Truck. For the pickup truck is entry number 9. Entry number 9.
Yay!
and daisy-driven pickup truck.
Congratulations! Yes! Best daily-driven pickup.
Congratulations, entry number 9. Next is Best Two-Door Hatch. Best Two-Door Hatch entry number 47. Number 47.
I don't know. Ay, hindi ba mo?
Congratulations.
Smile, anak! Smile!
Next is Best in Vintage Sedan. Best Vintage Sedan goes to entry number 41. Number 41. 41. Owner of entry number 41. Number 41.
I'm Ben.
Congratulations for winning the best vintage. All right. Next is
Congratulations, sir.
Minivan. Number entry number 11. Number 11. Best minivan.
Best minivan number 11.
Alright, so earlier, bakit na sa best loud and clear sa mga naka-audio setup. So these are the winners. Second runner-up for the best loud and clear is entry number 4. Entry number 4. Best loud and clear. Second runner-up.
Ang blue. Luwan yung malabas.
Congratulations.
Best loud and clear, second runner-up.
Of course, for the first runner-up, best loud and clear is entry number 36. Number 36. Best loud and clear first runner-up.
Ang pula ni Kak. Ang pula.
Congratulations.
Ang pula.
Best loud and clear first runner-up.
Best loud and clear first runner-up.
Okay, may-ari naman na panawagan, no? May panawagan, may nadulat naman na nanay. Papa, gali, may nadulat na papa. Sino yung mga na? Sino yung papa? Si Papa. Kung may nadulat na mama ang papa nga rin sa plaza, ang imo nga bata, kinapanita ka. Ari din sa event area, no? Balalas entrance na may kwaot kung yung mga or mga to sa bata ko. Again, nadula ang nanay kang tatay. Ano yung mga lan?
Yan.
Si Yunel. Si Grace, Ma'am Grace, si Yunel, ari di sa Suloda. Ari di sa covered court area.
Why ko da ya?
Grace.
Why ko da ya?
Alright. But yes, of course, nadulaan na ang mga bata na di sa Suloda. You stay. Nagpapay lang sa may entrance area. Okay, let's go back to our awarding. Best loud and clear.
Why ko da ya?
Champion.
Why ko da ya?
Sino bet is the best loud and clear champion?
Number 1.
Ano may number 8 nga? Of course, for the best in loud and clear champion goes to entry number 1.
Yes.
Entry number 1. All the way from Los Angeles.
Ato na, Team LA. and Claire, champion! It's our Team LA! Congratulations!
Our Team are always there at the Lincoln Airport area. So may mga mahogany.
Bata mo dami nyo. Hugaway ko daya.
Portable cafe or moving coffee shops na that. Alright, for the best car. Best car club and car shop on the show. Best car club goes to Western Electronics. Then Western Electronics. Okay, please get your award here.
Best car club.
Join everyone, all the members of the Western Electronics team.
Congratulations, Western Electronics.
To all the winners.
Best car club.
And of course.
Ang ibansa, pwede sa ibansa dalong.
Again, congratulations to all the winners for both
Why may matungko ba lang
motorcycle and car categories. Our last award will be
Nan.
in a while.
Anan, very good. Ay, ka very good sa ila. Best car club, Western Electronics. Congratulations.
A couple of awards for this night, and the last award that will be going tonight is the best car of the show. Best car of the show. Sino ang yung bet for the best car of the show?
Good boy. Good boy.
MC Angel, ano yung mga best car? Hindi na ako sa inyo, ako Ano ang inyong best car of the show? Siyempre, good boy. Best car, sino ba daw best car?
Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes-Benz. Hindi mo yan?
Good boy ang Victoria. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy!
Good boy. What's up?
Good boy na. Para na good boy ka na ano yan. Of course, our winner for the best car of the show. Best car of the show goes to number 42.
Gapit-nek na sila. Gapit-nek na sila.
Good boy. Alright, congratulations. Best car of the show. Totoo ba lang aside from the car itself, they also have that owning ginagamit for, say, camping or picnic.
Yes, good boy. Congratulations.
Camping tables, camping chairs, camping lights.
Gasog ba para da kagina mo?
May nasumpa pag hindi ako nagina. May sulog ba? Of course, again, congratulations to all the winners for the first Live City Tambay show. And we're, again, giving this opportunity to everyone to join us here and in the future events. Congratulations. And of course, this is brought to you by Anti Customs and Geometria. But before we end the night, we will have this closing remarks from our organizers or Kim.
Ngayong gabi sa tanan.
Hey, be! Awa. Okay.
Hope nag-enjoy ka mo sa aton ng 2 days event. Basta simple lang pero i-try nga mo ng best na mahatag sa tanan. Thank you sa mga support. Friends from outside the city, Team Western, sa support from Victorias, Bacolod, mga Team Pitikero sa Silay, sa tanan na sponsors na makita nyo sa palibot, sa tanan na participants na nag-stay Monday asa mga nga gabi, family and friends na nag-support, Sinupako lang kung mawala ng bal.
Mayor.
Malulakaw na kay Mayor, na nagkatugid-igi na, bisan ano siya kasako, na support yapon. Then, hope na-enjoy ka mo, and good night.
Yay!
Thank you everyone.
Oy! Mayor.
Alright, again, congratulations to everyone. Sa tanan na nagka-oath, sa tanan na nag-intran, nag-participate for our two-day event. Again, this is the first ever July City Tambay Show brought to you by Geometria and NT Customs. Hoping for next year or the next upcoming events, it will be more bigger and more participants. So again, this is Cops TV, your host for tonight. Let's go!
Yay! Congratulations! Thank you so much, Kakaks TV! Atong solid-solid nga host. Nga wala ginahapoy.
Announcement na wala ang claim sa nila mga awards, mga raffle. Mag-try na lang sa number 65, Trainer Valenzuela.
Mag-play nyo ko pares dahil ng kantin play school na kamo.
Ang pag-claim sa nila na raffle, mag-try na lang sa entrance area.
Yay! Tunoy! Tunoy!
Alright!
Sound off! Sound off! Sound off!
Yes, sana na lang ako.
Ay!